Welcome to all. Today I am going to talk about the bottle project, and this is very simple project and you can get the bottles at your home easily. And the material which we require for it are bottles, hue, I mean to say that is paint, brushes, cutter, sheet, adhesive and decoration material. Here you must notice about the different placement of the bottle, the arrangement of the bottles in the different way. And some painting has already done on the bottles and using googly eyes, or you can use some other decoration material to decorate the bottle. Here you must notice that you can cut the bottle half also and give the shape of the any animal form, or you can use the whole bottle and give the shape of any human being also. Here also you must notice the half portion of the bottle. In one picture you can notice only the upper part, and other picture you must notice the lower part of the bottle. You can arrange your bottle in any direction, in any form, or you can cut your bottle from the middle of the bottle also to give the look of the lantern. Here you must notice the big size of the bottle with the handles, and the human faces are painted on it, and the handle are used like a nose and also their eyes, lips, and keep these all the faces on the lower part of the bottle with the decorative form, and also inserted some artificial flowers so to decorate the house in a different way. Here you must notice some more example of the human faces and the animal faces, and you must notice here they have joined extra part with the bottle, or you can take the cardboard or any hardboard to give the look of the animal by cutting in the form of the animal faces and paste on the lower part of the bottle. You must notice here some hanging bottle project. The process is the same, the procedure is the same, only you have to tie the thread or wool with the bottle and you can hang it in your house. In the first picture, you must notice the bottle is cut from the middle side and the stand is created by the top, or you can say the mouth of the bottle. In the second image, the wall hanging, that is very beautiful wall hanging with the lower part of the bottle and tie with the cycle tire to give the look of the wall hanging, and also some artificial flowers or natural flowers are inserted in it. In the third picture, again the bottle are cut from the middle side and one pot is there, and insert all the bottle inside that pot and give the beautiful design with the bottles. Here are some more design of the bottle cutting. In the first image, you must notice the placement of the bottle in a circle form. In the second, again, we have a cat with the paws. And in the third picture, you must notice the overlapping of the bottle with the clay. And in the last page, you must notice the form of the cup is creating by the bottle. First picture, you must notice the lower part of the bottle and the strips are rolling and the artificial flowers are inserted in it. In the second image, we have noticed here the lower part of the bottle and following by the big bottle mouth portion, and again it's following by the small bottle mouth and inserted with the artificial flowers. In the third image, again we have a big bottle upper part and following by the strips which are rolling and inserted with the artificial flowers. Here some sleeping bottles are inserted with the mouth of the bottle. Some pictures have shown the arrangement of the bottle in a rectangular form, in a circular form, or in a zigzag form, and some frog images are shown here. Such a beautiful design is here. You can make a train by using the lower part of the bottle as a bogie of the train and the front part with the upper part of the bottle, and some wheels are there. For that you can use the lids of the bottle, and then also you can give the form of the duck, and for the mouth of the duck you have to use the hardboard and paint it with the white color and arrange the bottle in the form of the duck in a circular form. And in the last page you must notice here the arrangement of the bottle in a different form. Here some more example of the different type of the images of the animals and some hanging bottle projects. It looks amazing. Here are some wall hangings, and the bottles are painted with the colors and decoration material are pasted on it and give the look of the wall hanging, and it looks so beautiful. Again we have some more designs which are created from the bottles, a big size of the bottle and small size of the bottles, and also some artificial flowers are inserted in it, some aquarium form is there, some penguins, and of course some plants are there. Some more example of the placement of the bottle. You just paint the bottle in a different colors and arrange in a different style, so it will give the decorative look to your house. And some bottles are in a rolling strip and inserted with the artificial flowers. In the last, I must say that this is summer season and you must have so many bottles at your home. Try to make any project and give a beautiful look to your project and create something new. Thank you.